You ain't the one for me, baby. You ain't got shit I need. You want me to take my time with you, or maybe I'm not your speed. Maybe I'm not your lead. You ain't got no cheese. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too screed. I can eat rolling peas.
Hey guys, so I was planning makeup and I really didn't know if I was gonna like this look, but I really like it. I did my whole face and I decided to wipe off this eye and record it for you guys so you can see how I got this look. So I'm starting with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Toffe, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. Just pat that in with my finger. And I'm using this Airspun powder on my eye. Just setting the concealer. I decided to go with my LA Girl, what is this? This is a lip liner, and it's in the color True Red. And I'm just going to go over my crease right here. Okay, and once I finish with the lip pencil I used, I'm going into my Nicka palette. It's a 23 matte color palette from the beauty supply store. I'm gonna go into this red color here, and then just kind of going over the line I drew, blending it out. And I'm just going to keep adding color until it's as dark as I want it to be. And then I'm going back in with the lip pencil and just sharpening and darkening the line. Well, not even sharpening, but darkening the line. Okay, now I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm gonna carve out my crease. Okay, now once you're done with cutting the crease out, I'm going back in with the lip liner in the True Red color, and I'm just gonna just clean up my eye. Okay, and once that's done, I'm going to go back in my palette and I'm going to go in between this pink and this pink, and then I'm going to put this at the end, so I'm mixing all three of those. I'm going to go in with the lighter pink, using the same brush and just putting it in the middle. Then I want to go into that pink purpley color. I'm keeping a space in between here so the concealer can show. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my NYX Glitter Brillant, and what color is this? GLI09. It's kind of like it's showing up pink on the screen, but it's like a red. I don't know. Either way, it looks pink. Pinkish red color. I'm going to use this and my NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm using a brush from one of my other glitter liners. But, I mean, you can use just a small brush if you already have it. So I'm just dipping the brush in the primer. And drawing out a wing. And then I'm going to dip it. I just put a little bit in the top. And then you're just going to do the same thing. Now I'm just going in with my concealer I used. My face was already done, but I had to wipe my eye off, so I'm just going back in with that concealer and just clean it up. So now I'm going to add go and use my NYX Jumbo eye pencil in the corner, a little bit right here. I'm gonna go into my, what is this, from Juvia's Place, and it's the Masquerade mini palette. This color here, I think it's called Geyser. Go back into my Nicka K palette, and I'm going to use this brown here, put on my waterline, and then go back in with that red color. It's so funny how these red colors are coming up pink, but I mean, hey, it's a Valentine's Day look, so it's perfect. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, my little Valentine's Day look. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. And I'll see you guys next time.
You on your video.
You been on my video?
Yeah.
Are you gonna do your makeup?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Ooh, it kind of matched mommy eyes, right?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yes, like you.
Oh.
Okay, it's a good day. And my makeup.
Okay, you gonna show them your makeup?
Yeah.
Ooh, you gonna be like mommy? Ooh, you doing good.
This is before I get older.
When you get older, of course. Mwah.